Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're a woodworking enthusiast or a DIYer, you'll know how essential a good wood planer is for getting that smooth finish on your projects. Today, we're diving into the 10 best wood planers available on Amazon that you can add to your toolkit. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details and exclusive offers. Let's get started. The Spear and Jackson CSP4 No. 4 smoothing plane is an exceptional tool, particularly ideal for cabinet work and general joinery. Its cast iron body provides robust durability and stability, ensuring that you can tackle even the toughest jobs with confidence. The precision milled base and faces enhance accuracy, allowing for smooth and even surfaces every time you use it. With its 2-inch 50 mm wide, high-carbon steel blade, you get excellent edge retention and the ability to achieve a flawless finish. Adjusting the blade is a breeze thanks to the brass adjusting screw, which allows you to fine-tune settings to your specific needs. The base measures 248.0 plus or minus 2 mm in length, with dimensions of 63 by 42 plus or minus 1 mm in width and depth, making it compact yet effective for a variety of woodworking projects. Whether you're planning edges, smoothing surfaces, or preparing wood for finishing, this smoothing plane delivers reliable performance. Its combination of quality materials and thoughtful design ensures it will be a valuable addition to any woodworker's toolkit, whether you're a hobbyist or a professional craftsman. Embrace precision with the Spear and Jackson CSP4 No. 4 smoothing plane for all your woodworking needs. The Jorgenson 3.5-inch Miniwood Planer is a fantastic tool for detail woodworking, featuring a professional level blade made from 9CRWMN, a type of 01 tool steel. This blade significantly enhances cutting efficiency while minimizing wear, so it's not only finely sharpened for effective wood planing but can also be repeatedly sharpened and adjusted for long-term use. The body of the planer is constructed from ductile iron, ensuring it can withstand heavy-duty applications and is drop-tested for rugged durability. The zinc alloy lever cap and stainless steel parts further contribute to the high-quality build, meaning it won't easily suffer damage during use. One of the standout features is the adjustable cutting depth. With a simple turn of a knob, you can easily change the blade's length to meet your specific needs, making it versatile for different wood depths. This mini planer is compact and portable, making it perfect for trimming, polishing, deburring, and various woodworking tasks. So whether you're into DIY or crafting, it's your go-to tool. Plus, the meticulously polished flat bottom ensures smooth operation, making it user-friendly for both professionals and beginners. Just remember to handle that sharp blade with care. The WEN65 36 ampere electric hand planer is a powerhouse tool, delivering an impressive performance with its 6 ampere motor that provides up to 34,000 cuts per minute. This high-speed operation ensures that you can tackle tough projects quickly and efficiently. With 16 positive stops, you can easily adjust the cutting depth anywhere from 0 to 1/8 inches, giving you the flexibility you need for different tasks. Whether you're smoothing surfaces or creating precise grooves, the adjustable depth makes it highly versatile. One of its standout features is the ability to make rabbets up to 1 inch in size using the 5/16-inch rabbeting guide, allowing you to achieve professional-level results. Plus, weighing in at only 6 pounds, this electric hand planer is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it comfortable for extended use. The package includes a dust bag to keep your workspace clean, a kickstand for stability, and a parallel fence bracket for accurate cuts. With a 2-year warranty, you can trust the quality and reliability of this tool. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, the WEN65 electric hand planer is a fantastic addition to your toolkit. The DeWalt 20-volt max planer is a powerful tool perfect for woodworking, featuring a brushless motor that delivers impressive power and runtime. With a cutting speed of up to 30,000 cuts per minute, it offers a fast removal rate and a maximum cut depth of 5/64 inches, 2 mm. The calibrated depth adjustment knob allows precise settings down to 1/256 inches, approximately 0.01 millimeters. Its precision machined aluminum shoes ensure parallel cuts, while the kickstand prevents gouging on your work surface. Additionally, the front groove is ideal for edge chamfering, making it an essential tool for both hobbyists and professionals alike. The Amazon Basics No. 4 Adjustable Universal Bench Hand Plane is a fantastic tool for precision woodworking, designed to meet the needs of both beginners and experienced craftsmen. With its durable cast iron body, this hand plane offers exceptional stability and strength, ensuring it can withstand heavy use without compromising performance. The impact-resistant plastic handle features a contoured grip, providing excellent control and comfort during extended sessions, reducing hand fatigue. The durable steel alloy blade ensures you achieve quality cuts every time, making it ideal for smoothing surfaces and shaping wood. What sets this hand plane apart is its adjustable gear, which allows for easy modifications to achieve precise results tailored to your specific project. Whether you're working on cabinetry, joinery, or any woodworking task that requires finesse, this tool delivers reliable performance. It's perfect for trimming edges, flattening surfaces, and preparing wood for finishing. Compact and easy to handle, the Amazon Basics No. 4 hand plane is a valuable addition to your toolkit, ensuring you can create beautiful, professional quality results in your woodworking projects. If you're looking for a dependable hand plane that combines quality and affordability, this is definitely worth considering. The Jorgenson No. 60 and a half 6 to a quarter-inch Miniwood Planer is an exceptional tool for woodworking enthusiasts, designed specifically for trimming and detail work. Featuring a low-angle block plane design, its blade is crafted from 9CRWMN, a professional-grade 01 tool steel that enhances cutting efficiency and minimizes wear. This finely sharpened blade enables you to achieve clean cuts while ensuring it can be reused, sharpened, and adjusted over time for longevity. The body is made from durable ductile iron, drop-tested for ruggedness, while the zinc alloy lever cap and stainless steel components ensure that the tool remains damage-resistant during use. The adjustable design allows you to effortlessly change the cutting depth by simply turning a knob, as well as modifying the width of the mouth for diverse applications. Lightweight and portable, this mini block plane is perfect for a range of tasks including polishing, deburring, and crafting, making it ideal for both DIY projects and professional work. The professionally polished flat bottom guarantees smooth operation, and with an included instruction manual, it's user-friendly for both beginners and experts. Just remember to handle the sharp blade with care, and you'll find this tool invaluable for all your woodworking needs. The Makita XPK01Z 18-volt LXT lithium-ion cordless 3 and a quarter-inch planer is an outstanding tool that combines performance and portability for all your woodworking needs. This planer can handle a width of up to 3 1/4 inches and achieve cuts up to 5/64 inches deep in a single pass, making it efficient for various projects. Equipped with a 2-blade cutter head featuring double-edged carbide blades, it delivers exceptional performance and a remarkably smooth finish on wood surfaces. One of the key benefits of this planer is its high power-to-weight ratio, weighing only 7.4 pounds, which makes it easy to maneuver for extended periods without fatigue. The powerful 14,000 RPM motor is specifically engineered for rapid stock removal, allowing you to get your work done quickly without compromising quality. Adjustments are a breeze with the click depth adjustment knob that features an easy-to-read scale, providing precise settings from 0 inches to 5/64 inches. This feature gives you the flexibility to tackle a variety of tasks, from smoothing surfaces to resizing wood. If you're looking for a reliable, cordless option that delivers both power and finesse, the Makita XPK01Z is an excellent choice for any woodworker. The Bosch 18-volt brushless planer is designed for professionals who demand power and precision in their woodworking projects. With its impressive brushless motor delivering 13,600 RPM, this planer efficiently tackles various tasks while providing a smooth finish. It offers a planing width of 3 1/4 inches and can cut up to 3/32 inches deep in a single pass. This means you can cover a large surface area quickly while achieving more precise and deeper cuts. One of the standout features is the easy blade change system, which eliminates the need for extra alignment, making it super convenient to swap out blades when needed. The dual shaving exhaust ports improve dust management, keeping your workspace cleaner while you work. Plus, the uniform aluminum base plate ensures consistent and accurate cuts every time you use it. This planer is perfect for a variety of applications, from flattening rough lumber to finishing surfaces with a smooth touch. Whether you're working on cabinetry, flooring, or furniture, the Bosch XPK01Z provides the reliability and performance you need. If you're looking for a high-quality, powerful, and user-friendly planer, this model is a fantastic investment for any woodworking enthusiast. The Router Plane handheld woodworking tool is an essential addition for any woodworker looking to achieve precision in their projects. Constructed from 6061 aluminum alloy with an anodized surface, it's both lightweight and durable, ensuring it withstands the rigors of woodworking. This tool features a stainless steel blade shaft and brass nut, along with a high-speed steel blade that cuts through wood effortlessly. One of its standout features is the unique blade lift mechanism that includes a depth gauge and depth stop, allowing for easy and precise depth adjustments. It can cut up to 1.2 inches, 30 millimeters, deep, perfect for a variety of applications. The blade width of 12 millimeters is razor-sharp and durable, providing a clean cut right out of the box. The solid aluminum grip offers a comfortable hand feel, which makes it easy to control the tool accurately, giving you the confidence to tackle intricate tasks. This hand router plane is designed to help you fine-tune joinery, cut grooves, create rabbets, dados, and perfect mortises. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, this tool elevates your woodworking precision and efficiency, ensuring your projects are completed flawlessly. The Kimo Edge Banding Trimmer is a fantastic tool for anyone working with wood. Its razor-sharp HSS blade ensures smooth, effortless cuts, producing beautiful long shavings that minimize the need for additional sanding. Made from high-density aluminum alloy, this trimmer is not only durable but also features a wear-resistant coating that enhances its longevity. It's suitable for various edge banding materials like PVC, ABS, melamine, and veneer, with a maximum thickness of under 1 millimeter. Plus, it accommodates overhang heights of less than 4 millimeters. The trimmer is designed for flexibility, as its thickened wear-resistant pad protects your board's surface and prevents slipping during use. This makes it incredibly easy to achieve a clean, flush finish every time. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this tool is an essential addition to your woodworking toolkit, helping you elevate the quality of your projects.